You want to ask somebody their name in Ga. How do you ask them? How do you ask somebody their name in Ga? Today we're going to learn a few different ways of asking somebody his or her name in Ga. Let's start the video. To ask somebody their name in Ga, you would say Te achobuten. Te achobuten. Repeat it after me. Te achobuten. Te achobuten. And how do you respond when somebody asks you Te achobuten? Te achobuten. You respond Achomi, which is my name is Achomi, and then you say your name. Achomi Adokwe. My name is Adokwe. Say Achomi and then say your name. Achomi and then say your name. Good. So I'll ask you the question and then you respond. Are you ready? Okay. Te achobuten. Te achobuten. Your answer is going to be Achomi, and then you say your name. Well done. Te achobuten. Great. So today we learned how to ask somebody their name and how to respond. There are other ways of asking people their name. So one other way is to ask, Meni jiogbe. Meni jiogbe. Meni jiogbe. It's the same as Te achobuten. Meni jiogbe, what is your name? Meni jiogbe. You respond by saying Achomi, and then you say your name, or you can simply say Mbeji. My name is, and say your name. Te achobuten. What is your name? Achomi, and then you say your name. Or Mbeji, then you say your name. So today we learned two different ways of asking somebody their name and how to respond to someone asking you your name in Ga. Thank you very much for taking part in this lesson and for joining me in this video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. At I Speak Ga, we promote the speaking, learning, reading and writing of our beautiful Ga language. Please come and join the family. Thank you.